Another work day. I really don't want to go to work. But, well, I guess I should try to power through today too. How embarrassing. Why is my stomach making so many weird noises these days? Today was honestly so embarrassing. I should check what's going on later. Instant food, coffee, lack of sleep. My stomach is messed up because of all that. Alkaline water? What is it? And why is everyone talking about it? Oh, I really do feel better. Thanks to alkaline ionized water. My stomach doesn't make those noises at work anymore. And I feel so relieved. Thank you. Inner Beauty Solution Mediqua Korea.